Hello, I'm Nicole and we are here at Let's Make Art and you are watching the Beginner Hand Lettering series. This is part 5. We're gonna go over the ABCs, and I know we all know the ABCs, but I get asked a lot to just write it out. So I wanna show you, and what we're going to focus on is thin on the up, thick on the down, like you learned in part 3, right Keenan?
I believe part 3.
Part 3, you'll find it. Thin on the up, thick on the down. So that's what I'm gonna keep saying to myself. And I'm gonna go through, this is the traditional cursive. I don't always do these letters, so I want you to do whatever you want. So if you do your G's differently than I do, please go ahead and do it. If you want to go through this is a handout that you can print out on letsmakeart.com and you will find that there. I am using marker paper, which is great because I can do this and I can see through and I can trace. So you can either do that or you can go through them on your own. I'm just gonna do that. I am using the Tombow dual brush pen and I go through all my supplies. If you want to know what supplies we like to use, that is in the part 2. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the whole alphabet. So continue to say to yourself, thin on the up, thick on the down, thick on the down, and you will notice I am taking these in stroke by stroke. So another video that we have is this foundation strokes that you can go through. Actually, it was the one before this. But what I go through is that I say and explain that each letter is a different stroke. So this is that backwards C, or no, not backwards, that's a C. They're just taking it in 2 C's that are connected. This is that J stroke. Which I should mention, the horizontal strokes can be thin or thick. Personal preference, there's not a rule for that. Again, thin on the up, the horizontal I'm just gonna make thin, and then I'm gonna lift up my hand actually, and then get myself situated, and then thick on the down. So there's that J stroke. This is that first stroke, thick on the down. And actually, if it helps you, maybe you have, oh, all my notes. You can have these out for reference if these help you. These are the foundation strokes, and these are also on our website. So I'm gonna keep going, thick on the down. The H is this funky loop. This is the traditional I. I tend to totally, when I do my I actually just draw a line, but you can do it like that if you want. This is also the traditional J. Okay, so again, stroke by stroke. Thick on the down, and then for these ones you can choose if you want to make them thin or thin. That's another one that's a little bit weird. Thick on the down, thin on the up and across. So these are the 3. This is a good example. So these are 3 of these guys. So thin on the up, thick on the down, and instead of doing it all in one stroke, I'm actually going to just lift up my hand and then go again. I do that because it helps me just position myself and my hand doesn't cramp up. So again, I talked in, I believe it was the first part of this series, I talked about how cursive is different, or your hand lettering is different than your hand writing, and also different than cursive. And this is why, is because I'm taking this stroke by stroke and I'm mindfully drawing them rather than just drawing the letter immediately and not thinking about it. So thick on the down, thin, thick. The S is a little funky too, but that's a traditional S. And then if you also notice, you will see that my brush my brush pen, I'm using the tip and then I'm pushing, and it's really getting this big belly that I'm using. So that's what you want, thick on the down, thin on the up. Thin on the up, thick on the down, come across. Thin on the up, thick on the down, thin on the up. If it helps, you can totally say it to yourself. I will never know, and I do that to myself too. Thin on the up, thick on the down, thin on the up. So this is that, just so you can see what's going on. This is the same foundation stroke, just a little bit extended, and then the J long one. So that's 1 and then 2. Oh, last one. 1, 2. Okay, so that was the ABCs, that was the capital letters. What I'm gonna go through now is the lowercase. And I'm actually gonna connect them because when you're doing your hand lettering, you'll connect them. And I know that's something that sometimes trips people up. So, another handout that you guys can get on our website is this guy. And again, if you want to trace it underneath, or what I actually can show you is if you don't have that paper, another thing that you can do, and if you want a straight line, you have, this is that Rhodia paper that I mentioned in the tools and supplies. You can do this, and if you want to, you can either see the lines, the little dots underneath, if that helps. If you want to do a straight line, it's okay, it's natural. If you draw a little bit crooked, it's okay. I still want you to keep going and trying, but this paper is great if you want to do that. So I'm just gonna do it on here just to show you. Ooh. You can have this out for reference if you want, again, or if you want to trace, you can use the marker paper. And this is the same thing. So I'm gonna go thin on the up, thick on the down. And even though I'm connecting, I'm gonna take these stroke by stroke. So there's that C. You can either choose to have a loop or you don't have to, whatever you want. Thin on the up, thick on the down, thin on the up. So what's happening is, remember when we went through the foundation strokes and I had you do this guy? This is that tail when you're doing hand lettering, is when you're connecting them. That's what you're doing, is you're drawing this extension, and I call it a little tail, off of your letters to connect them. So thin on the up, thick on the down. So this is an example, a very long tail. And I actually just did that on one stroke. You can break it apart if you want. Thin on the up, thick on the down. Here's a very long tail. Thick on the down, thin on the up. I like to dot my I's after and also cross my T's. Okay, I'm gonna draw on this line. Thin on the up, thick on the down. Again, I'm taking it stroke by stroke. Thick on the down. M, thin on the up, thick on the down. So with the O, I usually like to have a little loop, and then it connects like that. So you can either choose to do that or not, but that's a little fun, little flair you can add. P. So here's a C, and then that's a little funky of a shape. You'll probably know that R's, see, I'm not even on the line. It's totally okay. I just realized that. It's all good. The R, well done. I totally did that. Thank you, Keenan. The S, I was gonna say that the R is different in cursive. So you have a few different letters that are different just in the cursive alphabet. The F, the R, and then the Z, which we're gonna go through. Let me finish this out. T, thick on the down, thin on the up. U, what's next? T, U, V. V, W. The X, you don't have to connect also either. You can go like that. Maybe you extend this a little bit more if you want. Again, thick on the down, thin on the up. I'm gonna make this really long. So the Z, oh, the Z is also different. And then again, whenever you're doing a word, I do the complete, I finish it out, and then I cross my T. There we go, that was all the ABCs. I talked you through that. You probably noticed that my hand went up and down. I said that a lot. It's okay, you can do it too. If you need to reference any of the videos from what I said, you can click back and watch all of those, and there will be one more for you guys coming at you.